Rail operations face major challenges: long distances, high operational costs, and the vulnerability of terrestrial communications such as radio, fiber optics, and LTE.
When communication is delayed, trains may need to stop and wait for authorization. This creates operational delays and unnecessary fuel consumption. Restarting a train can require up to 200 liters of diesel.
During maintenance operations, the lack of real-time communication between field crews and the operations control center can lead to unnecessary track blockages, resulting in operational and financial losses.
Globalsat provides integrated satellite communications, connecting the train, the ground station, and the operations control center. With real-time satellite communication, trains can receive authorization in under 2 seconds, helping prevent unnecessary stops and optimize fuel consumption.
During maintenance, the control center blocks the track only when the crew arrives and releases it immediately upon completion, optimizing track usage and reducing delays. The solution enables flexible communication between the control center, locomotives, and maintenance crews using portable equipment. A key benefit is the ability to integrate existing radio communication systems with satellite technology. Broadband satellite communication supports improvements across operations and maintenance, whether through wayside equipment installed along the track or onboard monitoring focused on the technical and operational parameters of locomotives and railcars. Reliable communications are essential to safer, more efficient, and more resilient rail operations. Globalsat helps railway operators improve operational continuity through mission-critical satellite communications designed for demanding environments. Keep rail operations moving. Learn more about our transportation and logistics solutions at globalsat.com.